What's going on, everybody? Soliaker here, and it really doesn't bother me when people want to talk and say whatever they want to say, positive, negative. I mean, I do appreciate everybody that supports me, and I really do appreciate that. And those that don't support me, you have your right to not support me, and I'm okay with it. But when a business puts up a sign that says they want to send an AR-toting fisherman to Ukraine, and I have done nothing to your business, have done nothing to you, other than, I guess, making you butthurt. That's the only thing I get out of this, is that your people are butthurt. And so, yes, I went down to, I believe it's Harry's Banana Farm or something to that effect. It's a bar down in Lake Worth. And I went out there with my I love Smith v. Cummings sign. Well, yeah. Let's get into this video and let's see what went down. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. If you talk crap about said person, don't be mad when said person shows up and goes to your business in protest. So, I'm out of here. Soliaker. Deuces. Closed forever. Okay.
There's no Dodgers allowed in here. Cummings are that way.
No, Cummings is north.
Try Mad Hatter.
No.
Come all day.
Yeah, Cummings. Yeah, I love it, dude. I'm good, thank you.
It's just ice water.
No, I'm good.
It's hot out here.
To be perfectly honest, I'm good.
And if you're coming, then you're losing a lot of hydration.
I am so good all right now. Hey, do you want to know why I'm here? Would you like to know why I'm here?
Sure, tell me all about it.
Okay, you see up here, right here in your placard?
Yes.
It said something about sending an AR-15 toting fisherman to Ukraine, right? It was up there, right?
I believe so, yeah.
Yeah, I know so.
I don't do the signs, so.
I know you don't do the signs, but the only reason I'm here is because somebody, one of my subscribers that live here, saw the sign and then decided to send me the picture. So here I am. And
you came with your own sign.
And I came with my own sign. They want to put a sign up about me, so I'm going to come here and express my right with a sign in front of your business.
Well, if you think there's just hot out
I am so appreciative. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course. Oh, he's not here now, but dude, I don't want to do the sign.
Yeah, are you going to stick that saying that you had about the AR-15 toting guy? It said, let's send that AR-15 toting fisherman. Yeah, I'm that guy. Hi, nice to meet you.
How you doing?
Hey, you want to put it back up? I mean, I'll sit here and watch you put it back up if you want. Yeah, I know. You're probably. If whoever does.
I just seen a new sign. I'm like, wow, new sign.
Yeah, you got a new sign because the picture I got, it was all cracked.
Yeah, you got hit by a truck.
Yeah, I'm guessing. Don't talk shit about people and don't expect them to talk shit about you. Your company.
No, I don't care.
I have, well.
All I can say is fuck you and no bullshit. That's all I know.
Hey, okay, fuck you and your bullshit. Yeah. I just to let you know, this place on this sign, they were like, hey, let's send that AR-toting fisherman, let's send him to Ukraine. This is a new sign. They had a sign up. Yeah, good for you, buddy. Use your First Amendment right. I'm only here because they wanted to try to throw me under the bus too. You want to see? You want to see the picture?
I don't see nothing.
You want to see it? I'll show it to you, bro.
Looks all right.
It's a brand new sign.
It's really cute too.
It's a brand new sign.
No, I really don't want to see it.
See, because you don't believe me. But here it is. There's the sign right there. If anyone, right there. There's the sign.
Yeah, because we should help the Ukraine.
Hey, nobody's saying.
lost about
But why would they say?
70 years ago.
Why would they say something about me? You know what I mean? Why'd they bring me into it? I didn't ask for any attention. What's up, brother? Oh man, if I had any change on me, dog, I'd hit. Oh, I might have $1 or $2. No, I'm just out here trying to express my rights. Shit, man, I might not have $1. I thought I did. Sorry, buddy. No, all I got is cars and bullshit. If I had it, dog, I'd give it to you. I appreciate it. You need a cigarette?
I don't smoke.
All right, if you don't smoke, that's all I can give you is a cigarette.
All right, man.
Yeah, man.